Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about nail prep. Nail prep is extremely important when it comes to applying your acrylics or your gels as it relates to the longevity and how long they will last. So right here, what I'm doing for her is removing the natural shine from her natural nail and removing the excess, all that dead skin from her natural nail. When I go to apply her tips, if I don't do this step, they're not going to stick. If I apply acrylic on top of a nail that's not prepped, then they're not going to last. They'll last you probably a good 2 days maybe. So just going in and, like I said, removing the shine from her natural nail in this step. And after we've done that, it's so important to go ahead and go in and sanitize the nail plate. So I'm doing that with ASP Antibacterial spray. Love this stuff. Swear by it. After that, you want to go in and push back the cuticles. Gently push back the cuticles. I'm heavy-handed naturally, so I have to really watch myself when I am doing a friend's nails. Well, this is my little cousin, bless her heart. So I have to be very careful because when I'm doing my own hands, I'm pretty heavy-handed, but I try to be light-handed with others. And this is my favorite step, going in with my cuticle bit, my favorite tool to use during the nail prep. And in this step, what I'm doing is removing the excess skin, dead skin around the cuticle area. The cuticle area is all the way around the nail plate, all the way around the nail. So not just at where the skin and your nail meets, but all the way around. You want to remove that dead skin. Again, if I lay that layer and apply acrylic at the cuticle area, it's not going to last. So she's a swimmer, so I'll, not unexpectedly, there's a lot of dead skin there coming off from her being in the water and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to take a brush and brush that off. And then I'm going to take another cotton swab and sanitize again. And then after prepping the nail for the tips, I'm going ahead and take the tip, apply the nail glue to the well of the nail tip. And what I do is I apply down and then I go up when I'm applying the nail tip. This prevents any air bubbles from getting in between the natural nail and the nail tip. So again, you can watch as I go down and then up when applying the nail tip. You don't want any food or air bubbles or bacteria to get in between the nail tip and the natural nail. That can cause a lot of problems. Let's just put it that way. So want to make sure there's no gaps in between the natural nail and the tip if you're using tips. Same thing if you're using forms too, because it can happen when you're using forms. You just want to make sure that there's no room for any air bubbles or any bacteria or anything that can get in between. And I just kind of squared off a little bit, filed down that nail tip for her to make sure that the tip fit her nail bed. You want to make sure that the tip is not too big and not too small. It just needs to fit sidewall to sidewall on the natural nail. And here it is. I have filed her nails into a coffin shape. That's what she wanted. And then filed the tip to mesh with her natural nail. Applied some primer, dehydrator, and now she's ready for acrylic. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned in the next video and you will see the finishing of her nails.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.